Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we are going to be learning how to download and install Google News application on your iPhone. If you want to install the popular Google News app on your iPhone, then the process is quite easy. First of all, open your App Store on your iOS device and in the search bar, type down Google News. Once you get to the search result, look for this application from Google and then tap on the Get button. Authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password to start with the download process. Now wait for the app to get installed on your device, and once it does, tap on the Open button to launch the app. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded the Google News application on your iPhone. Now you can stay updated with the latest headlines and stories tailored to your interest. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.